What's up? It's Tcl20 Technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see, today I have two cases for my Tcl20 Pro. Tudia was kind enough to send me out these cases to check out for my Tcl20 Pro. I currently had a Tcl20 Pro in the past, but now I have another one. So Tudia was kind enough to send me out two more cases for my Tcl20 Pro. So pretty much we're just gonna place them on the device and I'll let you know my thoughts about them. So pretty much I have hunter green, so pretty much this is a nice looking green color. I'm usually not a big fan of green, but this green actually does look good. Then I also have metallic silver. I actually had this color before, but they sent it out to me again. So first let's open up the hunter green and let's place it on the Tcl20 Pro and give you a walk around the case. So that is a nice looking green, and it has a nice feel to the back. This is a two-part case, but I'll use it as a one-part case. Place your TCL in like so. It has a nice little looking feel to it. Like I said, you're going to get a little lip protection, but not too much because this is a curved display. But you should be okay if you want to place your phone flat down on the table. You shouldn't have anything to worry about, and you especially should get you a tempered glass screen protector so you can be better, more protected. But overall, this case does look and feel nice. It has some good grip protection on it. You get your nice cutouts everywhere, so you get your volume up and down button. They're nice and clicky. You get your power button. It's also nice and clicky, no problems at all. It's not sticky, it's not getting stuck, it's not hard to press, it's easy. You also get these little ridges on the edge. They feel like little bumps, so that is for grip protection. You get your USB charger port and your speaker cutout, and those look really good, no problem there. On this side, you get your voice assistant key, so you can map this for Google Assistants if you would like to, and it is nice and clicky also, and you have no problems with that button. And on the top here, you get your cutouts for your headphone jack, because this does take headphones, IR blaster, and your speaker and IR blaster. And on the back, you get a nice cutout for your camera, so you shouldn't have to worry about placing your phone down flat on the back of the table, because that camera is not getting messed up. And it says Tudia, and this is overall a nice, sleek looking and feeling case. So this has been the hunter green merge case for your Tcl20 Pro. So now we're going to pick up the metallic silver and do the exact same steps and show you what it looks like on the device. So let me open this up like so. Pretty much this is what the case looks like. It has a little bit of different kind of feel to it than the hunter green. The back of the hunter green feels a lot better than this one. But anyways, you get a nice cutout for your lip. You get a nice lip cutout. So like I said, if you place your phone down flat on the face of the table, you should be good and protected. And you get nice button cutout, so your up and down, your volume up and down are very nice and clicky, no troubles. Your power button is very nice and clicky. It's not sticky, it's not getting stuck, so that's a win. You get your assistant key, that's nice and clicky. You get those ridges. I really love those ridges. That is for better grip protection, so this case will not go anywhere. You get your USB charging port and your speaker at the top. You get all your cutouts at the top, and you get a nice deep cutout for your camera. And this also says Tudia on the back. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.